In this video, we will showcase the enclosed area volume calculation tool. This tool can calculate the volume and surface area of enclosed spaces such as tunnels, mine tunnels and ship cabins. Before using this tool, it is recommended to pre-process the point cloud data through clipping and denoising, retaining only the necessary areas. After selecting the target point cloud, click the Enclosed Volume button in the menu bar. Upon entering the tool, configure settings on the right-hand panel. Click Generate Mesh to initiate point cloud constructing mesh. This process may cost some time, please wait patiently. Once mesh is generated, it will be automatically imported into the software. If the generated mesh contains holes, click Filling Holes to automatically repair mesh voids, ensuring a fully enclosed 3D mode. For accurate calculations, always perform hole filling after mesh generation. You could enter the density if you would like to calculate the weight of the scanned area. Click Calculate while selecting the mesh and hole filling result to obtain precise volume and surface area measurements. If you would like to export the calculation report into a PDF, you could use the export function and save it to a specific folder. Click the Enclosed Volume button in the menu bar again to exit the tool.